Okay, hello everyone. Good morning, Wong. Okay, do let me know if my sound and screen is okay. Hopefully, my sound is okay. Yeah. Right before we start our section today. So today looks like market continue to be bullish. Okay, so lots of stocks actually continue to break out, like Suncon, Bangtao break up. Okay, Wong, you still got Bangtao, Ecoworld also. I think because Ecoworld they says that they sell some land, right? If I'm not mistaken. Okay, thank you, Wong, for the confirmations. So that's why I think yesterday it started to break out also lah. I think I saw some news this morning, if I'm not mistaken. So okay, so far so good, but hopefully the gap don't close. But TP half for rental. Okay, me too. TP half for rental. Okay, so I think the trend everything's still okay. Hopefully it can still go up further lah for rental. So okay, like usual, if you are here with me, please type a one for me so I know you are here. Then we're going to look into some of the stocks that we do talk about in the group. Okay, then we go for your stocks. Okay, later on, then we go for stock trade idea. Of course, I think today trade idea also quite interesting. Okay, yesterday also we do pick up some of the few one. Olga Bio is one of the stocks that we do talk about yesterday from the list over here. Infotech also coming back. Okay, so like I said, Infotech actually sells still okay one. Gap up, shake out. Okay, and today a little bit of gap forming lah. So Notion itu sudah tinggi lah. I'm not sure whether you still want or not, but too bad lah. I exit too early already. So hopefully, my bank are able to do the same. I'm not sure. CKD also coming back. CKD I think pretty good. Okay, because they just doing the first pullback. Okay, doing the first pullback after breakout from this so-called reaccumulation. Okay, so this is some of the so-called low risk opportunity. Like I said, market. To be fair, you very bullish for 2 months already. Okay, really unexpected, really unexpected. So yeah, anything that you trade right now, make sure you trade very close to support. Okay, because when this kind of market, when market drop or pullback, usually it's kind of big one. Okay, so you don't have to be trapped in these counters. Okay, Sun Surya, to be frank, lots of stocks are sometimes really cannot follow. Okay, like SSF also I want to enter, but later lah. Sun Surya already I didn't follow. Oh, macam cantik ah. Actually, this one is the one of the closest resistance. Of course, the main one probably need to break somewhere around here. But I think yesterday they break one of the closest resistance already. Okay, so somewhere around here. Actually, it's quite nice one, G-Tronic also. G-Tronic I'm waiting for pullback. It's a reversal setup. Okay, to be fair with you, this round I don't have any property or construction stocks. Okay, but maybe I will try to look for one. LBS Jalan, no? Okay, LBS Jalan. Okay, so I just write down your stock first. Okay, then we're going to look into it. AGX and KUB. Okay. So okay, as usual, just go for some of the stocks. Let's start with Bangtao. Bangtao really hold for some time. Okay, but finally Jalan, okay, at least it's worth it lah. We make some money out of it lah. So okay, let's say so far this first hour over here, let's go to 1 hour chart. Okay. So yeah, a quick disclaimer before I start proceed further. This section here, no buy and sell call. Okay, if you want to trade any stocks, make sure you got your own trading plan. Okay, so we are not doing any buy and sell call. Okay, Bangtao for me still okay. Let's say if you have entered previously, okay, together with us, okay, during this sideway zone area, I think still fine. Of course, if you haven't exit yet, please try to take some partial profit because probably the pullback may happen very, very soon. But so far, I don't see any weakness. Okay, so here is the good candle with high volume, breaking above this previous false breakout area. So as long as it keep riding on average volume, okay, so for me it's still fine. Okay, for Bangtao. G-Tronic hit me. Okay, I'm waiting long for this already. Okay, sure. Yeah, probably I will see how because JFT also in already. Greta also in already. maybe let's say G-Tronic setup is nice, right? I will move my JF tag to G-Tronic. Okay, because JF tag I think is good, but probably the trend probably is slightly longer. Okay, we probably check the chart and see later on. Okay, now the other one is HE group. Okay, this one also. Okay, breaking here, high volume. Okay, which is good sign. Okay, and then now looks like they are still riding on the average volume. Okay, so again, if you are in HE group together with me, so far okay for me. Nothing to actually update. The trend is still the same. Volume still healthy. As long as I do see this kind of movement continue to be in this chart over here. I will continue to hold. Okay, again, I'm just holding half right now. Already TP half. Okay, so this is a pretty good COC. Okay, pretty good COC. Okay, up and coming one. This one. Okay, this one actually I'm thinking to top up a little bit more. Okay, I'm thinking yesterday I missed M tag to be frank. I queued a bit lower. I think I queued 1.4. It didn't hit. I go for FSPM. Okay, but today I will see how lah. I still thinking one or not. Okay, because I also feel that All-Star macam not bad. I also feel that All-Star not bad. Okay, so here gap. Okay, so yes, here got a little bit of gap down like Success or RG Tech, all this kind of stocks. But this gap is a small gap. Okay, it's not a very big gap. So I don't think, and besides it closed already. Okay, so I don't think it's a big issue for me right now. And if you notice here, 3 narrow bar, of course, including today, but right now it's only 9:30. We still got full days, haven't closed yet. But if let's say volume remains to be low, candles remains to be narrow, I think this will be a nice COC to watch out for. Okay, you guys know what is COC, right? If not, type 1. Sorry, if you know about COC, you type 1. Okay, if you don't know about COC, you type 2. Okay, COC is a pretty useful so-called technique. Okay, to use it whenever market doing pullbacks in a trending market, especially like this type. Okay, so COC is a combination of at least 3 bar. Okay, Jimmy said don't know. So okay, it's a combination of at least 3 bar. Okay, thank you Zach for reply as well. With narrow spread. Okay, the 3 candle over here must be narrow. Okay, must be narrow, and the volume must be extremely low. So again, what it actually tells you is that whenever this formation appear in the chart, it kind of telling you that the seller is getting lesser. Okay, the seller, which is the supply. Okay, supply is getting weaker. Okay, so maybe the chance to push up is higher, because normally when operator want to push the stocks, if let's say they still know that the seller at the top, right, they don't want to push on. So what they do is that they try test. Okay, when the seller is getting weaker already, or maybe the supply is getting lesser, easier for them to push. Okay, so something like this also. Okay, something like this also. Okay, XIFU want to open private group after you leave. Okay, don't worry. I think I will still be in XIFU group, but of course using my own personal Telegram name. I will still in there. If not, probably the doctor's group. Okay, I will still in there also. So of course let's see how. Okay, probably by end of this month, next month. Okay, actually going to different industry, not in stock market anymore. But I will still be active in stock market. I have been in stock market for 7-8 years already. Okay, this is Opstar. Overall, I think still fine. Okay, the other one is CowPoint. That's in the CowPoint. CowPoint the other day also pullback completed. So today, okay, still very low volume now spread. But yesterday volume is still pretty healthy for me. Okay, so if let's say it back to here again, I think there's opportunities. Okay, technically I already re-entered the other day. I think somewhere around here, I forgot. Okay, so if let's say come back to here again with low volume, probably again I would like Opstar, probably I consider to do a little bit of top up again. There for CowPoint. The other one, okay, ASGKB, I'll look into that later on. Okay, because right now I just look into some of the stocks that we do talk about in Telegram, so that everyone can still follow. Okay, so DXX. Okay, DXX reversal. This is a bit similar to KGB. Sorry, not KGB. KGW. KGW. Okay, this is a bit similar to KGW. Reversal high volume, got resistance, but nice support with pullback. Okay, so again, a good stock to watch out. SFP tag. I always forgot this stock. Okay, SFP tag. This one also pretty nice. Okay, start is pretty nice. Okay, yesterday come with high volume already. Increasing volume are not high volume, but for me, the support over here is pretty good. I think if you check the XIFU alerts right here, actually I think here got one strength signal. So as long as this strength signals, okay, which is exactly at S1, it didn't break, I think the setup is still valid. Okay, waiting for them to cross up because this is a slightly a bit strong resistance happening here because of the gap and previous support which is turning into resistance right now. Okay, but good to monitor. Okay, for those that who want probably momentum one, you can wait for them to cross this line. Okay, for you to enter with momentum. Okay, now the other one I think is Go stock recently is a bit quiet already. Okay, since beginning of this week. Last week still okay. All right, so we just check it out. Okay, a small gap here again. Right, but overall for me this is a good COC. Okay, we look into Pokong. I think Tome Pokong almost the same. So here's a good COC, and like I said, whenever got COC, it will build a nice support. Okay, just let me erase, zoom up a bit. Okay, so here, okay, so around the S1 area. So if let's say you are in Go right now, like Pokong, make sure you focus on COC. Okay, COC can be also a good support area. Okay, like I said, because usually when COC happen, which means the seller is reducing. Technically, you should not see sellers coming into this area. Okay, another good example here. You got COC, right? Okay, so this area here will provide you a support. Okay, let's say this guy break lower, it's time to maybe trouble a bit. Okay, so this is how usually you use COC as a support, as an entry area with low risk opportunities. Okay, with a high reward. Okay, so all right, any things that I miss out? Wong, any stocks that we miss out in the groups there? Okay, Adaran also one of the stock I monitor, but I didn't enter yet. Okay, like I said, too many stocks sometimes. I also don't know which one to enter. But all these stocks actually is a good setup stocks. Like this one, gap out with shakeout. Okay, all these probably just waiting. Need patience required. Some stock break up faster. Like when time need to hold longer. HE group is move faster. Sometimes I'm not sure. But all these stock actually still come with a pretty nice setups for me. Okay, so hopefully it will break with higher volume. Yes, correct. 2 minutes stock, no bullet. Okay, so this one, right? If let's say you want to trade on momentum, okay, you wait for the next one with higher volume. Okay, this is high volume ready. I thought this one it would jalan already, but it didn't jalan. Okay, and now high volume, I think is a good sign to tell us that okay, probably got momentum coming in. Okay, so this is for Adaran. Overall, I think Adaran is still good. Okay, but just that need a little bit of patience. The other one is Theta. Okay, that one is Theta, but I didn't follow Theta already. Right, so here almost to resistance. Okay, if let's say they back to probably somewhere around this area here. Okay, again, I think worth to watch out. Okay, worth to watch out. Okay, so this one also a nice reaccumulation. The other one, I think previously shake out a lot of people. TSA. Okay, actually, I also didn't really follow already. Okay, TSA. But suddenly the other day, I think it triggered my alerts. Okay, I forgot I put alert. It triggered my alerts. Okay, and well, looks interesting. Okay, well, this is the one that the other day I think everyone entered. I thought it would Mari ready. I also thought it would Mari ready. I also thought this guy would jump because this is a nice poker pivot. But yeah, it still got seller. It make a shooting star. Okay, I think few of the members actually trapped here. I didn't chase because usually I don't like to chase whenever to press at resistance. Okay, so eventually it dropped badly. Okay, I think including Dexter mentioned he actually been shake up. Okay, from this bar here. Okay, so well, I think this one actually indicating someone is still interested. Okay, if you look into this chart, right, it's almost, I can say almost 90% similar with what Wangtao is doing. Okay, so this shooting star over here is a bit similar like Wangtao force breakout. FBO lah, I put it FBO. It's a bit similar like Wangtao force breakout. Okay, but Wangtao force breakout, it happened over 4 days, if not mistaken. They break up, 2 days halfway, third day it dropped. So it happened over 4 days, okay? But this guy happened in 1 day, so it become a shooting star. So if you look into force breakout, right? If you combine all the candle, is actually is a shooting star candle. It's the same things. It's the same theory. Okay, anyone here can follow? If you can follow, type 1. If you cannot follow, type 2. Okay, now let me repeat. Again, this is some of the things that once you learn about technical analysis, you get more familiar already. This is how actually you want to advance, okay, to the next level. So whenever you see this kind of chart, you know how to react. Okay, so for example, over here, right, Bangtao, right? Okay, so this is happened over 4 candles, I mentioned. Okay, open over 4 candles. So let's say this 4 candle open, high, low, close, you combine, it's actually become a shooting star candle. Okay, thank you, Wong. Thank you, Roslan. Okay, I think for those that who learn about TF for some time, you all should be able to pick this up. So let's say if you look into this chart very, very closely, it's actually very, very, very similar with went down. I think Zanta also same. JT Group, JT Group I think also same also. JT Group some tong. I queued 30% the other day didn't match, but sure we shoot up already. Okay, it's okay. Oh yeah, Zantat. Lucky you remind me. Yes, Zantat always forgot also. Zantat SSF. Okay, I need to watch it also. So okay, now here, if you look into here, yeah, right, it's kind of similar like a little bit of shaker is happening. Okay, and of course this is a big wash. Okay, it's a big wash. Okay, of course price right now is at the resistance already. I don't like it, to be frank with you. Like I said, I think I parked my alert somewhere around here. I forgot. It triggered and I just noticed that. But if let's say it dropped back with low volume around below 80 cents area, okay, probably I will reconsider again for ESA. Okay, because I think with this candle over here, it's still showing that someone is still interested, okay, in this chart. Okay, now let's go to Zantat. Okay, I forgot discounted. Okay, Zantat while slowly moving up, moving along with 20 MA. Okay, this one I don't think is an issue also. Okay, overall for me is still good. Okay, so as long as they are still holding above this so-called above with high volume, okay, there's a support, and right now they are moving along with 20 MA. All right, so PSD again is kind of similar what happened to Ventel HE Group before they try to break up further. MTech, okay, a bit similar MTech also. Okay, the other one is let's try Oga Bio again. I think today it move up higher lah. I didn't enter for Oga Bio yet. Okay, but again, who knows? Okay, just put your alerts over here lah. 30. I was expecting 39 lah, maybe 39 and a half lah, maybe just a low of the gaps. Okay, sometimes what happens is that they will goes up. Okay, we try, and then like this. Okay, so probably this one will happen. Okay. Anyway, right now capital is a bit limited lah. So want to enter also top lah. So just sometimes you park alert. So if later when HE Group went up further, I exit, I got money, I just buy this one. Okay, let's go to FSBM. Okay, FSBM yesterday I just entered. After miss out my MTech, I just go for this one. So okay, nothing changes. Okay, as long as they are above this candle over here or S1, I think still good. Okay, overall for SBM. The other one is Pasukas. Okay, this one some of them actually got so-called info. Okay, got info, but again, info is info. You trade based on chart. Okay, FSBM I heard got, Pasukas I heard also got. Okay, so but I go for SSBM lah. Pasukas is below 26. Aku takut lah. But overall I think still good. Okay, for SSBM because it try to break this resistance. Okay, pull back. Okay, low volume. Okay, who knows? Maybe you can try 17 cents. Mungkin boleh dapat. Okay, the other one is MBSP. MBSP I heard also boleh lah. Okay, I mean got info. Okay, but again we trade based on chart. Okay, we trade based on chart. Okay, so holding around 20 MA is ready. Okay, I think so far it's pretty okay. Right, let's look into the FA lah. Tengok FA okay tak? 2 out of 9 saja. Okay, so FA wise probably not that great enough. Okay, so if you look into long-term trends, right, weekly, actually they just break above reaccumulation. Okay, this one just break above the reaccumulation. So normally break above reaccumulation after they complete the pullbacks, right? Okay, it still can move up and around. Okay, so this is MBSB. Any things that I miss out? Okay, let me know anything I miss out in the group. Okay, so probably I just go through your stock first. Then we go to the stock idea. Okay, also PBA UMI. PBA Unimac. Okay, so let's start with G-Tronic. G-Tronic personally, I'm also interested. Provided they do a pullback. Okay, after the reversal, then I'm interested. Okay, so I think this is pretty clear. Okay, downtrending. Okay, MGB. Okay, I'll look into MGB. Okay, this is downtrending stocks, and then climatic volume. Normally, climatic volume, there is a chance for the stocks to do a trend reversal, okay, or change of trends. Okay, for me right now it's okay, but just that pullback not low enough lah. Maybe I wait until next week lah. Sorry, today is Tuesday only, right? Okay, probably wait until Thursday, Friday lah. I want to see how the price react. Okay, probably closer to 20 MA. Sorry, 20 MA I think is like nicer. Okay, but yesterday and Monday, right? Today is Tuesday, Friday. Okay, the volume actually is still quite high lah. Okay, let me just check lah. Oh, not really high. Sorry. Okay, it's okay. It's low volume. Okay, so it's low volume, so it's fine. Plytech, I'll look into that as well. So it's a low volume pullback. Okay, just that probably I want to look for a lower risk entry opportunity. Okay, 1.35. I think it's a good area to focus. Right? Hey, whenever I say 1.35 doesn't mean you have to 1.35 lah. Sometimes you calculate your risk to reward lah. If let's say you think that 1.36, 1.37 is good, also sometimes you can enter also lah. Just remember you need to know what's your risk that you are taking, okay, before you enter. Like for example, if your stop loss is here, you are following my S1. Okay, if you enter at the current price 1.44, okay, you need to calculate how is your risk you are taking for these trades. Okay, if let's say too risky, then you just avoid lo. If not, you wait for maybe got any further pullback. Normally my risk is 8%. Okay, if let's say less than 8%, normally I'm okay with it. Okay, so AGX. Oh, this one also quite good. Okay, it's a new IPO stocks. To be frank, this is the first time looking into this chart. Too many IPO stocks also, something I also forgot. Okay, now high volume reversal. Okay, so this one actually break below 2040 a bit, but luckily they're pushing it back with higher volume. Okay, so I think this is a reversal setups. Okay, reversal setups. Okay, so of course, I preferred if they able to pull back to somewhere around this area 31.5 cents area. That would be nice. Okay, that would be nice. So currently is so-called at the resistance lah. Okay, so this is below resistance. R1, this is the R1 currently. Okay, so maybe if you enter right now, you have to hold a bit lah. Sometimes they sideway before they break. Low risk entry somewhere around here. Okay, low risk entry somewhere around here. But I think overall chart setup wise is pretty good. Okay, for AGX. Okay, probably I suddenly have to monitor also if I miss out some other stocks. Okay, AGX. So let's get into KUB. Okay, wow, this one break up. This one's a Jalan. Who is one asking? Is it Jong? Jong asking. So Jong, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Entry a bit risky, okay, because yesterday I think up how much? This one. Yesterday up 11% already. So again, always the lowest risk whenever it hit 20 MA. Okay, now there are actually two ways actually you can use, okay, to check whether your stock is closer to support or not. Okay, so-called the low risk entry. First, you use 20 MA. Okay, usually like I said, I like when the stock hit 20 MA, but not only that, you want to check strength signal. Okay, like for example here, I think very obvious. Again, we saw COC. Okay, here also we saw COC before it push up. Okay, so again, we use 20 MA as support, then we use candle as strength signals, okay, for confirmation, or maybe like this one, pullback signals. Okay, if you know how to check that. Okay, now the next one, probably if let's say you subscribe to XChart or maybe XIFU, right, you can actually access this. You can use this indicator called EWO, Elliott wave basically. So what it do is that whenever trending, it will move up. Okay, but when during pullback, it will drop and it will like kind of like stagnant. Okay, the bar. Okay, so you can look for this area. okay, as your potential support. Okay, so red zone, normally I don't like it because it's obviously below support. Okay, I look for green, but I don't like to enter when the candle is too wide, okay, which is too high. Okay, normally it represents the stock is trending. Again, depending on your strategy, like if you like to do FIFO type one, I think it's fine. But personally for me, I like to ride on the trend. Okay, like for example here, enter here, I ride on the trend like uh, Cop Point lah, MTech lah, HE Group lah. So I like this kind of strategy. I like to look for supports. Okay, they will sideways for a few weeks, then they will break out and form a new trend. Okay, I like to use this kind of methods. Okay, so there's KUB overall. I think okay at the moment no weaknesses. If you have been riding, I think still okay. Looking for entry, slightly a bit risky. Okay, because it might pull back to 80 cents level again. So maybe below 80 cents again. Sideways before they shoot up. Okay, so just watch out for shooting star candles. Okay, outside today, I think also break out from support, if not mistaken. Sorry, break out from resistance, if I'm mistaken. Okay, so let's check out lah. Okay, volume's pretty good considering now we are in the very first hour. Okay, so okay, this one easy lah. Break out from resistance already lah. Okay, this one finally break above resistance lah. So this one is the closest resistance. Okay, looks like we got force breakout somewhere around here. Right, so of course the next resistance ngam somewhere around this area lah, R2 area also. Okay, R1 and R2 lah is your nearest resistance. Okay, of course the R1 hopefully it will turn to support, which is S1 moving forward. Okay, so again, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Looking for entry, this is your support level 575. Okay, entering somewhere around this area is quite safe. Next resistance is around this area, current R2 level, which is 620 area. Okay, so that's LSOF. Overall, if you look into this chart, is in an accumulation, nice base. Okay, we look into weekly. I think maybe we will have a change of trend very soon. Okay, so over here, the volume is not that high yet. Okay, it's not that super high yet. Okay, but slowly building up lah. Okay, slowly building up lah. So probably here, the next resistance area probably it will sideways for a while before they break. Okay, but good thing is that the volume is building up over here. So yes, maybe there's a chance for them to cross this resistance. Okay, again, high volume. Usually there's a good chance. Okay, to make a change of trend or something. Okay, so there's LSOF. Let's look into PBA. PBA. Okay, now PBA. The only problem for me PBA is that the gap is too big. Okay, the gap is too big. Okay, so again, given a choice, not to say it's not good, but given a choice, normally I will try to avoid first. Okay, normally if let's say the gap is too big, it's a bit difficult for them to cross. Okay, upside, if you notice the gap is small, so they can close up easily. Or maybe like RG Tech is not that big lah, huh? It still can close up easily. Okay, the other one is JHM, no? That one I can remember. Close already, yeah. Let's see. This one considered close lah. Okay, this one considered close already also lah. Okay, by this candle over here. Okay, but overall very low volume. So again, PBA for me is that they are doing sideways, probably reaccumulation, but because of the gaps, I think there's a choice. Okay, to look for something slightly better. Okay, compared to PBA. Okay, so Unimac. I didn't check this stuff for some time also. Wow, very illiquid. Oh. Who is the one asking? Not sure what is your intention. Long term, short term, I don't know. Okay, this one remind me of MPHB Capital. Okay, it's a long term uptrend, but it's a very illiquid stocks. Okay, unless you are looking for investing purpose. Okay, I'm assuming. Let's go to FATA here. Okay, 5 out of 9, not too bad. Okay, not too bad. You need to check out whether got dividend or not. Okay, I'm not sure whether here can tell or not. Whether dividend. Okay, no, I need to go for another page. Okay, for the dividends. Okay, but anyway, let's look into weekly chart. If normally you look this kind of chart, I assume you look into weekly chart already. Because daily chart nothing it's a bit too illiquid already for me. So sometimes this kind of stock you buy already, exit very difficult. So here, okay, long period reaccumulation, first pullback goes up. Okay, so it looks like right now also they are doing a reaccumulation. I don't see any major weakness. So you support, I think somewhere around here. 160 lah. 160 will be a support. Okay, 160 will be a support. Okay, so that's quick one for Unimac. Okay, MGB looking for entry opportunity. Okay, yesterday pullback completed. This one I think okay. Okay, again, FJ, I know doing buy call. If you enter, make sure you got your own trading plans. I might be wrong. I have wrong stocks as well. I just cut some of the stock like LG Tech with losses. But I like this one. Okay, I like this one. So this one, reaccumulation, breaks up. Okay, looks like this is the first pullback, volume coming back, and today low volume. Okay, so for me, I like these setups. I like this up. Oh, one say family control this company Unimac is the reason for illiquid. Oh, probably yes, because some of the companies, right? What's the name of stocks already? I forgot. Doing steel one or recycling something one. Tech Cycle, is it? Previously, Tech Cycle previously before it get famous also a bit illiquid one. The other one is start with P or something, I forgot. They are like this also lah. Maybe PHB Capital also lah. Okay. Maybe the reasons why this stock is a bit illiquid. Maybe mostly they control, and of course they are not popular. Okay, so a lot of people didn't really go into that. All right. CAB I think okay. TGL also illiquid, but anyway MGB nice setups MGB nice setups Okay, TGI this one also lah. Okay, illiquid. So normally illiquid stocks, right? I would prefer for them to change, the patterns before I enter. I think I explained some previously with Tafi example. So you can check that out. Okay, so sometimes when the operator wanted to do something, right, you will see there is an obvious of so-called change in terms of the patterns. Okay, I think SKB shut is a very good example. SKB shut, I'm not sure about what is the VCP stocks already. What's the VCP stocks already? BTEC. Okay, I think BTEC also are there. So this one is a good example. This one is a good example. Like here, right? A bit illiquid. Suddenly, the candle become nicer already. This means that someone is there. Okay, someone is there. So normally this kind of illiquid stock is slow, but you have to wait for this one other. Okay, I mean looking over here, right? It's very obvious, this one and this. Okay, sorry, let me just write properly. Okay, this side and this side, the candle formation is very different. Okay, the candle formation is very different. So over here, the other operator, this one other operator. Okay, so sometimes, this kind of so-called illiquid stock is easy to tell. But whenever they started to become active, so-called the candle more active, right, you need to wait because operators just started to do something. Today got pullbacks. Okay, for P-time. YBS also the same. Yeah, I think YBS also same things also. But YBS nothing too boring again. I think YBS previously pun ada somewhere around here also Okay, but nothing too slightly boring Okay, for YBS. I think BTEC probably is slightly better at the moment. Okay, let's look into a few more stocks before I go into my stock ideas. Okay, time. I believe you are looking for slightly longer term, right? This is for Wong. Okay, been sideways for some times for times. Let's look into weekly chart. Okay, for me, overall this is still uptrend. If you are looking for long term, I don't think it's a big issue yet. Okay, because they are still around the 2040 areas. Okay, normally this kind of chart I rarely trade. Okay, because of no much trend. Okay, sometimes it's a bit slow, but for long term, okay. So if you look into this analyzer over here, okay, my Pytoski F score 5 out of 9, not too bad. Okay, so suitable for you to probably want to buy and hold. Again, check the dividend. If let's say you got dividend, I think it's good. All right, for times. So okay, file pack. Let's into file pack. File pack, okay. File pack, okay lah. Also, nothing changed actually, Wong. As long as it still go to hold above the 20 MA, I think it's okay. Yesterday low volume, today, of course, today now is the first trading hour lah. But so far low volume, I think still fine. Okay, for file pack. Oh yeah, the other one is Grad Tech. How's my Grad Tech? Okay, Also same lah. This few days the some of this kind of tech stock a bit quiet lah. Again, good chance okay for you to look for COC. Okay, good chance for you to look for COC. Okay, now for my remaining of my time, probably just go through the list from here. Hey, call point coming? Is it coming? Ada. Okay. Sikit sajalah. Okay. Hopefully more later on. Okay, hopefully more later on. Okay, okay, RIPG. Hey, okay. This one, I think last month I already informed. This one I heard got something. Okay, I think I informed somewhere around April. But I didn't enter. Like, in the end, long term I go, because this one's suitable for long term. In the end, I go for grad tech. But very tempting. I was thinking want to switch my Samiden or not. Samiden nowadays also a bit boring already. Or maybe my JF tech. Yeah, Samiden getting a bit boring. JF tech I think still okay. Samiden, yeah lah. I've been holding for how long already? 3-4 months, right? IPG, or I switched to IPG. It's yeah. Samiden you sell already, Wong. Or you are still holding Solar West, right? Yeah, maybe I move to here. I think IPG will be more faster. Got a feeling IPG will be faster. Okay, WMG. Let's do WMG. This one also trend up. Pullback completed yesterday. Okay, pullback completed yesterday. Start at 13138. Okay, probably I'll look into that later on. Oh, CMSB. Okay, Solar West also sold already. Okay, this one move up higher. Yeah, probably I also exit. Move to other stocks. Sometimes it's a bit too long already. Okay, any other stocks? Success. Let's go into success. Okay. As long as going back to 2040, I think it's okay, but not now, not now. Because there's few more stock, I think it's more slightly better, okay, in terms of the setups. Okay, I think somebody will know goes up also. Okay. UMS. Hey, I think UMS still have the chance. Okay, UMS still have the chance. Okay, so here, previous resistance turn to support. Okay, previously we got one shakeout here. Okay, now slowly coming back to the resistance. Okay, UMS still have the chance. Okay, UMS. So okay, at least today we spot UEMS. Okay, any others? Call point okay, but call point for those that whoever enter, you probably can tengok lah. Okay, good lah. Going up slowly lah. Hopefully more lah. Hopefully today I can hit R1. Okay, TAS task. Task also pullback completed. Okay, this one's so good. Oh yeah, Plytech. Sorry. Okay, probably last one Plytech before we close. Task also good Task very nice 40 MA gap up rebound Wow. Okay. Oh, this one also new IPO stocks Okay. This one a bit similar SIAB. Okay, what I'm trying to say is that it's slightly a bit illiquid a bit similar VLB also. Okay, but technical wise, okay, they break above this resistance going back to this area. So this one for me is considered as a shakeout zone already. Okay, so if let's say volumes remains to be low and above this support, which is 28 cents, I think it's okay. Okay, for Plytech. All right, a bit similar VLB this one. XIFU, what industry you into? Okay, currently probably I will focus more into tech. That's why now my long-term one I will go into tech stocks already. Okay, but mostly currently Bursa is quite bull. Mostly they are like turning. They are actually like rotating the teams. This video property also goes up. Too bad I didn't have any properties. Okay, so that's why I missed out this round. So like you said just now, Sun Surya. Maybe can we look into back again? Sun Surya, I think Glowmac also. Yeah, I think someone mentioned to me about Glowmac. This one probably okay. Oh yeah, Skyward also property, right? The other day I think they do a pullback completes. Is it? Yeah, I forgot Skyward lah. Skyward boleh. I'm very bad with company background. Yeah, lah, property development. Okay, so here, okay, let me just zoom up lah, so everyone can see. Here got ada apa? Here got what? Here got COC. Okay, here is PB pullback. So now trying to cross this area. Okay, not sure whether can or not, but background setup is good. Yeah, I think I go for Skyward lah, because I don't have any property to be frank with you. UEMS still good. Okay, but EcoWorld jalan already though. But sometimes jalan can jalan higher lah, unless you are like Dexter doing FIFO. Okay, so far I think EcoWorld quite okay for me. UMS also. Okay. So this one breaking out from reaccumulation. This reaccumulation, I think also got a little bit of VCP inside here. Okay, they break, but today hopefully it don't close the gap lah. Hopefully later on it will push back out a bit. Left a gaps over there. Then it's strong signals. Gabungan AQRS sideway in reaccumulation, if not mistaken. Okay, let's look into the chart. They got a shakeout, like they got a shakeout. Okay, this is a long period of shakeout here. Okay, so again, same things. Normally, like I said, whenever they shake out, there's a chance, okay, for them to retest resistance. With the volume, okay, I think volume also not very strong, but at least it's increasing. Okay, I think just got a chance to hit out two. Okay, for Gabungan. Okay, here's the first shakeout. Okay, here is the first shakeout, second, third. Okay, third shakeout getting smaller lah, the range. So hopefully this round betul-betul boleh break lah. Okay, but at least I think test the resistance area, I think no issue lah. So probably if you enter previously somewhere around here, you can lock some profits. Okay, when the price towards the resistance area. All right. So, okay, again with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section here today. As always, if you like my section, help me to click the like buttons, help me to share this out. Do join my Telegram. We have a daily discussion inside. Okay, of course, together with other members too. And with this, thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow.